Today we'll show you how to make sugar wax at home. Shaving only lasts a couple of days, about 1 to 3 days, and causes ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and irritated skin. Sugaring is lauded for its ease of use and promising results. Depending on how fast your hair grows, you can expect your results to last somewhere around 5 to 6 weeks. Unlike shaving, sugaring pulls hair directly from the root. Therefore, regular sugaring could lead to reduced hair growth over time. Sugar wax is also a much gentler way of removing hair, takes longer time for hair to grow and doesn't hurt nearly as much as waxing. To make your sugar wax recipe at home, you need 2 cups white sugar, a 1/4 cup lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup water. In a medium-sized pot, add all of the ingredients and mix them with a wooden spoon. Place the pot over high heat. Wait until the mixture becomes bubbly and frothy. Turn the heat to medium, and stir constantly, otherwise, the mixture will harden. Cook on medium heat while stirring constantly until mixture reaches a medium golden brown color. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the pot from heat and let sit for 5 minutes. The consistency of your sugar paste should be similar to hot syrup. If it's thick like honey, heat it a little longer. Transfer to a bowl and let the paste cool for 30 minutes. The wax should still be warm but easy to manipulate. Using your fingers and thumb, grab a small amount of the sugar wax, and form a ball. Apply the wax in the direction the hairs are growing by pressing the ball down to flatten onto the area you want waxed. The sugar wax should be on your skin about 1/4 inch thick. You can also use waxing strips, by pressing the wax onto the skin, and then placing the wax strips on top of the wax. Then, rub the strips back and forth to create some friction. You can also use a popsicle stick or spatula to apply the wax. Pick up the end of the wax, and pull fast in one motion against the direction which your hair grows. Always rip off the wax parallel to the skin, never in an upward motion. Please make sure you test a small area on your arm before beginning to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions to any of the ingredients. It's natural for a little redness to appear on the skin after waxing. The wax can be used on any part of the body, including bikini, underarms, upper lip, and legs. Any leftover wax on your skin should be removed using a soft cloth and warm water. You can use a homemade sugar scrub to exfoliate the skin or use a natural soap, specifically on the areas you are planning on waxing. This gets rid of dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities including lotions and oils. After exfoliating, dry the skin really well. If you have an oily skin, you can remove excess oil with a body wipe or witch hazel. White sugar is recommended for a sugar paste, as it's easy to see the color change and brown sugar hardens very fast. If you're sporting irritated or sunburned skin, avoid sugaring those areas. Also, stop using oral or topical acne or retinoid medication at least 6 days before sugaring. You can also apply an antiseptic cream regularly for 1 to 2 days post-sugaring. Coconut oil is recommended to reduce the acidity from the lemon juice and soothe the skin. You can shower after sugaring. If you're sugaring your bikini area or underarms, avoid the gym or taking hot baths and any form of skin-to-skin contact for 24 to 48 hours. Don't have too much caffeine and alcohol before sugaring, you can be more prone to bleeding. As well, stay out of the sun for at least 48 hours prior to sugaring, at least cover any areas you plan to wax.